What if you had bought $20 of Bitcoin every weekday for the last 2 years? No timing the market, no hype, just consistency. Well, that's exactly what I've been doing live on this channel, and today we're going to break down the results. I've been stacking Bitcoin with a simple rule: $20 buys Monday through Friday, no matter the price. On days when the price of Bitcoin drops below our average buy price for that year, I'll buy a double stack, so I'll buy $40 instead of $20. But for our base stack, it's about $100 a week or $400 a month. And over 2 years, that's about $10,400 invested. But since we had a couple of days where the price of Bitcoin dropped below our average buy price for those years, we're actually at a little bit more. We're at about $14,000 saved. I've done this for over 440 sessions now, and in this video, I'm going to show you how it's performed and how you can get started even today. Doing the $20 every weekday, sometimes more, for over 2 years, as you can see from the spreadsheet, we are at $14,989 saved. Bitcoin's price has gone up and down a lot during that time, but by stacking consistently, I've removed the stress and second guessing. And today, my holdings are up 99.08% from what I put in. That's the power of dollar cost averaging. But more importantly, that's the power of the way Bitcoin protects your purchasing power against inflation. The purchasing power of my savings has gone up about 100%. Let's say you started at the same time as me, but you only stacked $20 a week regardless of the price. You didn't go a little bit extra like I did. You would have invested about $10,400. And today you would be up also about 99%, about 100%. You've doubled your money. The more consistently you stack, even in small amounts, the better you smooth out volatility and build real conviction. The hardest part about saving in Bitcoin isn't the money, it's the mindset. It's sticking with it when the price dips. It's ignoring the noise when people say Bitcoin is dead or it's going to go down.
It serves no purpose. It's not a store of value. It's not a medium of exchange. And as we have seen, if you want it decentralized and not under government control, it is a haven for fraudsters. And now it is in the process of going to zero, except for Bitcoin, which will probably go negative, because if we're moving into a world with carbon taxes, you have to take into account the energy that it took to produce it in the first place.
And I know who's behind Bitcoin. And it ain't some fucking Japanese guy in a cave. I know the guy. And when that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
But I kept stacking anyway, and now I have something to show for it. This isn't trading, it's saving, and it works. You don't have to go all in. You don't even have to go daily. Just pick an amount, $10, $20, and build a habit. If you want support or want to watch how I do it, come join me on my live streams. Every weekday, Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 5 p.m. Eastern. Imagine if you would have started 2 years ago when we started the show, you'd be ahead. But the next best thing is starting today. So subscribe and hit me up with any questions here in this video, or come join me on one of my live streams. I answer questions all the time during the lives, and I have no problem doing that. If you're a beginner trying to learn about Bitcoin, you are my target audience. That's who I want to help. So again, if you ain't stacking, you're slacking. Watch this video next. I think you're going to dig it.